Hello everyone, welcome back to computer class. Today I am going to continue lesson number 3 from your textbook, that is computer virus. First, content. What happens when a threat is detected? Working with an antiviral software. Last one, scanning report. First is what happens when a threat is detected. There are three types of actions in antivirus. First one, repair. Second one, quarantine. Third one, delete. Based on the antivirus setting, the antivirus software will follow one or more actions. First one is about repair. Repair is nothing but the antivirus software will clean the infected file. Infected means virus file will be cleaned by the antivirus and it will remove the threat safely without deleting the actual file. That is about repair. Second one is about quarantine. Quarantine is nothing but the infected files will be removed from a virus, but the actual copy you can't access it, but it will be safe for after the quarantine. It will be safe. Means the quarantine is nothing but the infected files will be deleted and one more copy of a file will be there for you. After the quarantine process only you can access that original file. That is about quarantine. Third one is about delete. If the infected file can't be repaired and also can't be quarantined, the last action is about delete. The infected file will be deleted. You can't get that file and virus also deleted from that infected file. Next is about working with an antivirus software. Before going to work with an antivirus software, you need to download the antivirus software, right? Yes, you can download any one antivirus software in your system. So many antivirus softwares you can get. Example, Kaspersky, Net Protector, AVG antivirus software. So many antivirus softwares were there. You can download any one antivirus software. After that, how to work in that software? Step 1, click on start button. Where the start button will be present in a extreme right side of a window. You will get the start button. Step 2, select and click Net Protector. Here I am going to explain about Net Protector antivirus software. If in your system, if you downloaded any other software, means follow the same steps. Instead of the select and click Net Protector, you can use other softwares here. Okay. Step 3, by default it will show the dashboard. After selecting the Net Protector, in the first window only you will get the dashboard. Dashboard is nothing but the main board. In that you will get when the antivirus software is updated, how many antivirus were blocked in that system, what is the last seen of the antivirus, everything will be displayed in that dashboard. Step 4, click on scan option. Scan is nothing but what? To detect the virus in the computer or in a memory, whatever. You will get the scan option down of that dashboard. After you will click the scan button, right? Afterwards you will get so many options. You can download only the PC also, that is scan PC, and also mobile scan used to scan only the mobile, and memory scan used to scan only the memory in your computer, and some drives also you can scan, removable disk, everything will be there. So many options will be there in that scan option. You can select any option and you can proceed it. Step 5, click on update version, update option. You know the meaning of update, right? Update is nothing but to keep your system or to make your system version from lower version to higher version. That is about update. Same option will be present in antivirus software also. You can set the update option automatically also. Automatic in the sense, whenever it need a update, when you are connected your system to internet, it will update it automatically also, and in that window it will show when the update was there in your system, and when you did update, everything will be displayed in that window. Step 6 is about click on protection. What is the meaning of protection? Protection is used to protect your system, right? Here also same thing. After you will click on a protection, right, you will get one window. In that window, so many applications, in the sense so many areas it will show where and all you need a protection. Okay, if you need a protection in that area, you can click using a mouse pointer. Afterwards, the in that area upside it will come with a right mark. If you don't want protection in that area, means it will be with the into mark. You can select it. So many options, in the sense online protection you want, and cloud protection, data protection you want, web protection, everything will be displayed in that protection area. Step 7, click on web security. Web security, in the sense this option is used to get your system with the protected area, means it is used to protect your system in the form of internet. Okay, if you connected your system with the internet, means this option will protect your system from the virus through our internet. Step 8 is about click on system tuner. System tuner option we will use mainly because to get the system faster. Using this option, your system will be more faster to work also. Next is about scanning report. This topic is the last topic from a computer virus. Scanning report is nothing but after the virus removed, after the scan of your computer, you will get one report, right? That is nothing but scanning report. In that scanning report, you will get how many files were scanned, how many threads were detected, how many were cleaned, how many were blocked. Everything will be displayed in that scanning report window. After scanning, you can see the scanning report. Okay, in that scanning report, you can see the kinds of virus, and also you want to see the virus list after scanning. You can see so many virus will be there, right? You can see how many virus were blocked, everything you can see. Okay, how to see that virus list? First, in the net protector, I am talking about net protector, right? In that net protector window only, upside you will get virus list. Click on that virus list. It will ask you to enter the type of virus. If I am going to check how many bomb virus were deleted, means in that empty box I'll type bomb virus. Okay, it will display how many kinds of bomb virus were deleted. Everything will be displayed in that screen. And also this and all options can be done with the availability of internet only. Without the internet you can do all these tasks. With the internet connection you can perform all these tasks. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.